that my time. That my crew, that my clique. That my fam, that my sis. That my gang, that my grip. Yeah, yeah. That my job. Aye, yeah. That my job. Yeah. Travel wide, travel wide.
Hold on, let me get his first. Good?
I'm gonna assume that's good because
It's like all the way in your ear. Why are you pushing it so far though? I don't think you have to.
no, because it's touching this top.
Okay, well.
So I don't think I was supposed to do that far either, but yeah.
There ain't no water gonna get in there.
Just gotta shove the bad boy in.
Water will get in mine. I need help.
Don't do it that far.
I'm not doing it that far.
Why are you making that face then?
Because I can't hear anything. It feels so funny.
Okay.
Is this right here?
Yep.
And this thing's actually supposed to go inside, guys, like that. You see how that goes?
Fit your ear
Top
like
up.
a glove. Yep. You are so happy to wear those earplugs. He is ready, guys. He's ready to test them earplugs out and go swimming with his sister because he loves her. Because he got all day to go on that game, the whole rest of his life. Right, Laylo? Laylo, I'm starting to think that you only cleaned the kitchen so that I left you alone all day.
Huh? What? No, Pete, I didn't hear what you said.
I'm not repeating myself.
Yes, you are.
No.
Only
Well, okay guys, so
did the kitchen for what?
evidently the earplugs are very good because they can't hear anything. I should probably wear those on a daily.
What'd you say?
They're dead.
Can't hear you.
I hear you, but what'd you say before?
Nothing.
Only clean the kitchen for
Only
what?
hear you.
I said I love you for cleaning the kitchen. Get in the pool.
That's not what you said. You said something about I only do this so that you let me go places.
I said I'm starting to get the feeling that you cleaned the kitchen just so I would leave you alone for the day.
Oh. I do that so I can, that's my appreciation.
Oh, that's sweet. Now get in the pool. Woo! She did it. She ain't no baby. Good? Do some flips. We gotta test these things out for real. Boom. Back flop. Back flap. But hey, how's your ears? How's your ears, Laylo?
Front flip. Like this.
Woo! Walk on your hands. Shake it off, little baby boy. Yeah. Now you don't have to worry about the water getting in your ears.
Water free!
What? You didn't hear me come over here? They work that good? You can't hear nothing?
I'm about to sneeze because it's like tickling my ears, yeah. They're pretty good, nothing got in. I mean, it's probably collecting a lot of earwax right now, but it works pretty
Disclaimer, do not look at the ear thing after you take it out of your ear.
And I clean my ears a lot, so.
No, we're supposed
That's-
to be playing right now.
That's how good them earbuds work there, huh?
We're
Yeah,
supposed
they're
to be
pretty good.
playing right now to get us some cool
We
clips.
just did something. Now we have to tell the people how it actually works.
That was
Works
only
pretty
like
good.
4 minutes.
Why do you keep laughing?
Okay, so as you can see, Lalo is not feeling the pool right now. So we're just gonna let him get out.
I'm staying for a little while longer to be a good brother, but.
Okay?
I'm still looking-
They're not falling out, right?
No.
They're stuck in here.
Hello.
Huh?
Me and Victoria did like this challenge.
Look how loud she's talking.
We did who can do rough the most underwater. So how much I can do it.
1, 2.
Oh, she's gonna get sick.
Oh no!
Here's the aftermath of poor donkey up there, pinata.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What the heck was that? That wasn't a flip. You dizzy?
No. Don't put it backwards now.
Oh my god, this is hilarious, okay? Auntie, did you make this game up? Okay, so you have to hold one another and pick the color. If you get the color wrong that she chose, she dunks you under the water. Look at this. She is holding Lalo right now. Thank God they're in the water. She's trying to dunk him.
Black!
You should see when her and Victoria play it. It looks like they're drowning each other.
Orange!
She dunked her own self.
Light blue, your favorite color. That one was bad. I said yellow! I said orange!
You could have plugged your nose.
I don't breathe that much water.
You could have plugged it. Think of a real good one.
Alright, I got it.
Only like red or yellow, green,
Oh, no.
purple, black, red,
I'm in there. I don't like this game. You got it. Alright. No, I'm not doing that yet. You dismounted, you can't get me back up.
I know. He's drowning. She was drowning him. I'm not particularly fond of this game either. I really don't like it, but for some reason, she loves to play this game.
Yeah, all my friends love to play with me, and I like to think of my friends use their hands underwater.
So I'm over here editing, but of course, trying to get this video out for you guys. You're done?
Yeah. I need my...
Get your earplugs.
Whoever sent it to my mother, props to you. These are good stuff. I would buy them. I would recommend buying these. They work. Nothing got in my ear.
Yeah, mine either.
Thanks for the
You're
great,
good? All that dunks that you
all
did?
those dunks.
All those dunks kept the water out your ears? Hanji? Ears didn't no water got in them.
Oh my gosh, look at that big giant splash.
I give it an A+.
Okay. Well, guys, you guys, the earplugs did not help the water not get in her nose though. Maybe we needed some nose plugs too. So just saying, if you guys want to try those out, I have a discount code below in the description, and you can try them out too. Although we are not going to be able to use them for much longer because, you know, I mean, the next month. But if you guys are from like Florida or Texas, somewhere where it's warm all the time, I would say then, you know, go ahead and purchase. I do not get anything from the purchase, but I would not have you guys get them either if they weren't decent and good and didn't work, because that's just not how I roll. Yeah, they just sent me this product to try it out and to, you know, give my honest opinion on it, and obviously I didn't go in the water, so I can't tell you, and I'm not going in the water today. So if I do go at another time, I will definitely try them, because we got an adult size. You get 2 in a pack, by the way. An adult size and a kid size, so there's another one, and you can clean them off. You can totally clean them off. So, yeah. Reusable, of course, duh. And they have little containers for them, so you can put them in. I'm gonna finish editing, and I need to take this lipstick off because it's bothering me. It's bothering me, darling. But it matches so perfectly with my bathing suit. Alright, so thanks for coming along on our day. Until the next video, I'm just going to be sitting here editing. And it's approximately 1 o'clock, so we got a lot of stuff done today. And until the next video, we'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks for hanging with us. Bye-bye now. Behind the scenes, Lilo really does not want to get in the pool. He's talking about he's gonna break the ladder. He's angry, guys. He's so angry, but he's such a good champ. He's such a good boy. He said that he's lucky that that he loves me. I'm lucky that he loves me. Just fall right back. Fall right back. Do it, Laylo. Do it. I know you could do it. You're strong. You're not no weak little chump. Come on, let me see you be a cowboy. All right, she's doing it.